they loved it? In my opinion, there are specific skin types that will benefit from this. The skin types that will benefit from this product are as follows. Hello, annyeong, this is Yuhi from One Eye Beauty, the place to find all the Korean beauty info in one eye. Finally, I got my hands on these viral VT REEDLE Shots, a micro needling essence that has sold over 1 million. VT has kindly gifted me these 3 REEDLE Shot products, all in different strengths, along with a couple more of their products, all with Cica Riddle in them. Thank you very much, VT. I really appreciate your gifts. But sometimes you can't like everything that you have received as a gift, right? Come on, you can tell me that you did not like the gift received from your boyfriend, husband, or other family members last Christmas, yeah? There were a few products that I did not like, and there were some I loved. Just because I did not like a few products, that doesn't mean that you will be the same. So without any generalization, I'll share my opinions to suit all skin types. So make sure you stick around until the end of this video to find out these innovative skincare products from VT. Before we kickstart, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to show some love and support. 감사합니다. Thank you so much. VT REEDLE Shot 100. An innovative skincare product with silica, which are small needles called Cica Riddle, meaning all the needles in this product contain Cica on them. The 3 main benefits of these small needles are as follows. Number 1, the fine needles that are smaller than the size of the pores will penetrate Serum corneum, which is the outer layer of the skin, allowing the skincare product's active ingredients to absorb more effectively. Number 2, the fine needles will create small wounds in the skin, promoting skin regeneration during healing. Number 3, the fine needles embedded in the Serum corneum will help to remove the dead skin cells as they fall off together with the dead skin cells. VT has made these REEDLE Shots very user-friendly by adding needle strengths to the names 100, 300, and 700. Higher numbers indicate greater strength. The brand provided this REEDLE Shot usage cycle calendar and advises that this REEDLE Shot 100 with 95,000 Cica Riddle is a good starter one which you may use every day. This is a smooth and lightweight textured essence with small needles with Cica that will penetrate the skin, helping the absorption of this essence and following skincare products to enter deep into the skin. I have very sensitive skin, but this did not hurt my skin. Instead, I felt just a slight sharp tingling sensation and very hydrating on the skin, as this essence contains a small molecule of hyaluronic acid. It has an amino acid complex to help further with skin hydration and skin barrier protection, and green propolis extract to soothe the skin. Once your skin is used to this REEDLE Shot 100 by introducing it every night in your night routine for a week, then you can bring in the higher strengths of REEDLE Shot 300 3 times a week and REEDLE Shot 700 once a week. However, even though this REEDLE Shot 100 is designed for daily usage, it is recommended to adjust the frequency of use based on your skin type and tolerance level. If your skin feels irritated, it does advise you to use it 2 to 3 times a week and slowly increase its frequency. I fell into that category unfortunately, so I could not use this product every night. Even though this did not hurt my skin immediately, the tingling sensation did not go away overnight, and after using it for 2 consecutive nights, my skin turned red, a bit inflamed, and developed a few spots, so I had to stop using it for a couple of days. A few days later, this time I tried it without retinol because I thought maybe using this and retinol in one routine, it must have been too harsh on my skin. So after dropping retinol, it felt much better, but I knew that my skin wouldn't be able to go any higher strength than 100 as it's just too thin and sensitive. But this is a viral product, sold over 1 million bottles, and there were so many skin influencers who raved about this, including Felicia from Beauty Within and Sue from Sue Beauty. How come they loved it? Because I think, in my opinion, there are specific skin types that will benefit from this product. The skin types that will benefit from this product, in my opinion, are as follows. Number 1, a thick or non-sensitive skin. These skin types will have higher tolerance levels, so should be able to manage this micro needling essence. Number 2, young skin aged between 20s to 30s. Young skin types will regenerate faster, so after their skin cells have dropped out, it will recover much quicker. Whereas me, in my 40s, my skin does not regenerate that quick. So after using this for 2 consecutive nights, I think I may have removed too many dead skin cells, so I needed much longer time to recover. So if you have mature skin aged 40 plus, I'd advise you to think twice before using this product. Number 3, trouble skin with acne scars. This product may stimulate your skin, helping it to regenerate faster. I think the 2 skin influencers, Felicia from Beauty Within and Sue from Sue Beauty, they fell into this category because they have combination and acne prone skin types, I think. I love you guys, by the way. I think that is why they benefited from this product. Number 4, those who want to exfoliate effectively. If you're looking for an exfoliant that is more effective than AHA and BHA salicylic acid, I think you will benefit from this. Riedle Shot 300 has a similar lightweight creamy consistency as the Riedle Shot 100. It contains 237,500 Cica Riedles. This is 150 times more needles than Riedle Shot 100. Riedle Shot 700 has a slightly thicker moisture-right consistency with 570,000 Cica Riedles. That is 500 times more needles than Riedle Shot 100. For those who want to use this Riedle Shot product properly to receive its full benefits, you can follow this Riedle Shot usage cycle calendar here displayed in full screen for you, so you can take a screenshot of it. Now it's time to move to the product with Cica Riedle that I loved. VT REEDLE SHOT Lifting Serum. While I did not have such a great experience with Riedle Shot 100, boy, this product was not the same. This serum is in the VT REEDLE SHOT lifting line, and assuming that this contains much less amount of Cica Riedles as it felt much more gentle on my sensitive skin, I asked the brand and they did confirm that a small amount of Cica Riedle has been applied to this line compared to the Riedle Shot. It felt much more comfortable on my skin with many skin benefiting ingredients along with Cica Riedle that will help to absorb deep into the skin. This is a hydrating serum with a lightweight milky texture. This contains multiple anti-aging ingredients such as collagen extract, niacinamide, adenosine, and 9,795 ppm human umbilical cord mesenchymal stem cell culture fluid extract, which is a very interesting anti-aging ingredient that helps to stimulate the regeneration of skin cells, increase collagen production, and is also anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. This also contains many other skin calming ingredients like macadamia seed oil, central Asiatic extract, and tocopherol. It feels moisturizing and comfortable on the skin with skin hydrating ingredients like panthenol and hyaluronic acid. This serum also includes squalane, which will help to improve skin texture and redness and minimize the appearance of pores. Despite that, this contains Cica Riedles, as it's only a small amount, it feels gentle and comfortable on the skin with a subtle, refreshing smell. I would highly recommend this serum to those of you with sensitive skin but want to try the Riedle Shot. This will be a very good alternative. Another product that I'd highly recommend from this Riedle Shot lifting line is this one over here. VT REEDLE SHOT Lifting Eye Cream. A true game changer in my history of eye cream. I have been using eye creams ever since in my 20s, so it's been nearly 20 years, and this eye cream, guys, seriously, this is an award-winning eye cream with a small amount of Cica Riedles, and it doesn't only have that, but it contains this interesting vibration function, which I have to show you guys here. Very easy to operate, as it is literally just a touch. Yeah, it's just a touch. These 12,000 micro vibrations will last for 6 months. So in this eye cream, there is Cica Riedle as well as these micro vibrations to even more effectively absorb all the active ingredients. And the ingredients in this eye cream is just jaw-dropping, as it contains similar great ingredients as a serum, plus other amazing ingredients. This eye cream has a lightweight and silky texture with a subtle, refreshing smell. It effortlessly glides to your skin without going into your eyes. It contains similar great anti-aging ingredients as a serum like collagen extract, niacinamide, and 9,795 ppm human umbilical cord mucin camel stem cell culture fluid extract, a very interesting anti-aging, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant ingredient that helps to stimulate the regeneration of skin cells. In this eye cream, VT included additional anti-aging ingredient bakuchiol and shea butter, a hero ingredient for skin moisturization, along with skin soothing ingredients like coconut oil, centella asiatica, and tocopherol. This feels gentle on the skin, and the 12,000 micro vibration function and a small amount of silica riddles help to absorb incredibly well. After the eye cream is well absorbed, I like to massage my entire eye area using this micro vibration function to help to remove any eye bags and dark circles. A true game-changing eye cream that will make you not want to go back to any of your other eye creams. Now, this is a Holy Grail moisturizer from VT. VT REEDLE SHOT Vita-Light Cream. Packed with 96% pure vitamins. This is my new Holy Grail vitamin moisturizer that feels deeply soothing and nourishing. The small amount of silica riddle in this cream will help to absorb all the vitamin goodness well into the skin. This cream has a rich and smooth texture without being heavy or sticky. Enriched with 96% pure vitamins, ascorbic acid, vitamin C, and tocopherol, vitamin E. Together, they form a synergetic effect. Vitamin E helps to preserve the efficacy of vitamin C and helps it to be less irritating on the skin. It also contains niacinamide, vitamin B3, and glutathione to hydrate and brighten the skin, and coenzyme Q10 to revitalize and support the skin barrier and elasticity. The brand advises that after using REEDLE SHOT, adding Vita-Light cream can help refine the appearance of skin texture and make radiant skin. Silica Riddle in REEDLE SHOT helps vitamins reach the epidermis and the stratum basale. If the REEDLE SHOT works well for you, you could use that method. I use this REEDLE SHOT lifting serum, followed by the eye cream, and finish off with this deeply nourishing vitamin cream. My new game-changing night skincare routine that I absolutely love. If you're interested in shopping for any of the products I mentioned in today's video, all the shopping links will be down in the information section below, so go and check them out. And please leave a comment down below which products from VT have interested you, which ones have you tried. I'd love to hear from you all. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next Korean beauty video. Annyeong!